exciting day planned. I'm currently in Rebecca's truck on my way to go pick up some material for this new light fixture our friend Jason is going to help us fabricate. And then after that, I'm gonna go meet up with a friend that I met actually through YouTube. He commented on one of my videos and we kind of got to talking and met him at a meet and whatever. We're friends now. But he is going to manual swap his automatic IS300, so because I've got the truck, might as well go pick up his swap parts. So we're gonna go do that today and kind of inventory everything and make sure we have everything we need. And then probably in the next couple of days or maybe in the next week or so, we will swap his car. So we're going to make a detailed, thorough, step-by-step IS300 auto to manual swap. We're gonna be swapping in a W55, which is the stock IS300 transmission, so should be pretty straightforward. Shouldn't need any like custom fabrication or anything like that. But yeah, you should be excited. That's gonna be a fun video. All right, so we got the W55, we got the lock cylinder, we've got the clutch, the pedals, and we've got new bearing. We'll probably get some new seals for the rear main seal. We've got the drive shafts back there. We've got the ECU and the cluster inside. We've got all sorts of shit. So we're gonna be putting this in Adam's car next week. So after looking all this stuff over, it looks like we're basically just gonna need a new clutch, because this one is, I would not reuse it. And obviously a pressure plate. And the flywheel, I'm not really sure about. I don't like the color of it. So we're gonna look at explore options on either resurfacing this one or replacing it. But yeah, for the most part, that's it. Notice we've got the whole steering column here. We're probably only gonna take the key part out of it because that should be matched with the ECU, because Adam doesn't want any check engine lights. So that's how we're gonna do it properly. We're gonna do it not just half-assed, I think. But yeah, you guys should be excited for that video. We are gonna start the swap on Monday. Today is Tuesday, so 6 days from now, we're gonna start the swap. And then we're gonna try to knock it out in a day, maybe two, and then probably another day for me to like finish up the video. So mid to late next week, we're gonna have a DIY step-by-step, start to finish, bolt by bolt instructions on how to swap a manual transmission into an automatic IS300. But for now, that's gonna be it. I still have a bunch of yard work to finish, and then I gotta crawl up in the attic to run some wires for our security cameras that are gonna get put in the driveway so we can keep an eye on the babies. Till tomorrow.